to my channel. I hope you're all good. If you're new here, my name is Amaris. If you're returning, I love you. Today I've got a hair install video. I got this hair from Eayon hair. So Eayon hair sells bulk human hair for you to add to your braids. As you can see, I have a boho style, so you have bits of curly hair throughout the braids. I love how versatile this hairstyle is. I'm really loving it so far, and I just did it yesterday, so I'm so excited to see what hairstyles I can do with this. So I got 4 bundles of human hair, 20 inches for this braid. It's waist length. I didn't want it too long, but I also didn't want it too short, so I feel like this is perfect length for me. All you have to do is add water. You can add a bit of mousse if you want to, but it's really simple maintenance for this hairstyle. Eayon hair has so much different curl patterns for you to try. Boho Braids is definitely in. I feel like you can wear it year round, summer, winter, holiday, in your own country. Like, it's very versatile. I'm now transitioning into natural hair, so I feel like this is going to help me through that phase. I'm going to be doing more braids, especially because I've tried this style. I know I love it, so you're going to be seeing more braids from me. I think I'm going to do a short one and then also a really curly, like a more tighter curl. I feel like those two will look so nice. So make sure you watch the video and see how the hairstylist installed this hair. So I made sure my hair was washed and blow dried for my hair appointment, as I wanted to keep it in for a while. My hair was done by Hair by Florence. She was amazing, very kind, sweet lady, and she did my hair so nice and neatly. She took her time. Here you can see her parting the hair and adding styling gel to my hair before she started braiding. What I really liked about her doing my hair was that it wasn't painful. Like, I was actually comfortable the whole time. We were laughing, watching Netflix and actually enjoying the hair process. I know getting your hair done, especially braids, can be very long and tedious, so it's nice to have someone do your hair that is really kind and accommodating. So with this hairstyle, you braid and then you add the curly extensions to the braids in each section. It's really easy to do, and also it reminds me of pick and drop. Like, I don't know if you guys remember pick and drop back in the day, and this is like an updated version of it. I'm so happy that the girlies have come up with new styles for us to like really have elevated braids and it still be nice, but you don't really get bored with it. You can do so much hairstyles with this. So as you can see, Florence is now adding pieces to the braids to get that curly effect. The braiding hair was such great quality and I really loved the curl pattern. It's a loose wave, so it kind of gives me like soft mermaid vibes. I can't describe it, but it was so nice. Lol, look at me getting excited for my one braid. The key to having good boho braids is good quality human hair. So Eayon hair has got you covered. I feel like when you have like synthetic hair and you do this style, it doesn't really bang the same way as when you have human hair, because you can add product to it, you can diffuse it, you can actually do a bit more, and it also lasts very long. As this was my first time trying boho braids, I think this curl pattern was very easy for me to ease into this style. I don't really wear braids as much as I used to when I was younger, so I'm just getting back into it, and I feel like because I was just used to having weave and like texture release and tape-ins, I kind of like wasn't sure how I would feel about having braids, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like gossip. It's my love for my grandmother make me gentle when I care for you. Tell me you're falling out of love, she's breaking my heart in two. I just don't want to live in bad. Almost like it didn't happen to make you happy. You telling me you're falling out of love for me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. You telling me you're falling out of love for me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. It's my love for my grandmother made me gentle when I care for you. You can't even sit in peace. All of these niggas be on you.
the same I can be. Yeah, but that you call and you talk to girls, I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, yeah, you can waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you gonna who's giving you what you need, you can waste your time with me. You could have all the space, more than you need. It's no pressure, if you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you gonna waste your time with me, waste your time with me. You can have all the space, more than you need. It's no pressure. If you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a start. It get plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Can shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon? Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist gold medalist flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens. Damn. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check her, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach Benz with me in the back. When I wasn't accurate, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked, but that come with being attached. So how about we leave it at that? If you gonna waste your time, waste your time. You can have all the if you gonna waste your time.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you do some magic again. Oh no, feel like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You beat it, nah, I'll be there. Be there.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing I'll leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Let me do some magic in my bed like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You be and I'll be there. Be there.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Also let me know what you think of this hairstyle, and also what do you think I should do next. I love you guys. Bye.
Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing.